Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be showing you how you can get your classroom set up with KaiLab. The first step to becoming a KaiLab master is knowing exactly what comes in your toolkit. So let's pop open the case and see what comes inside. There are two options to choose from when purchasing KaiLab, the 4-pack and the 12-pack. The 4-pack is good for small classrooms where you want your students to work collaboratively on just one mat, whereas the 12-pack is good for a full-size classroom where you want collaboration and multiple mats, multiple robots. Inside, you'll find your KaiLab robots. These are the stars of the show. You'll also see two adventure mats, one for Mars Discovery and one for the automated warehouse. These are about 3 feet by 3 feet and they set up the experiences that you'll be teaching with KaiLab. In the box, you'll also find a smartphone tripod with a separate mount. KaiLab uses the camera on your smartphone to track every robot and their position on the mat at all times. You'll also receive a sensor pack for advanced coding activities and data gathering, as well as 2 4-way USB charging cables, and a sticker pack with QR codes for tracking your robots and your objects. Also, make sure to keep your quick start guide handy, as it has the serial number on it. This serial number is crucial for setting up KaiLab, so make sure that you have it set aside for later on. Check that you have all the items before we move on. Got everything? Great. Let's talk about the extra tech that you'll need to start teaching with KaiLab. Your KaiLab kit is already pretty amazing, but it needs a brain and eyes to work properly. Before we get set up, we'll need 2 more pieces of tech, specifically a smartphone and a computer. First, a smartphone. This will act as the eyes for your robot. It can be Android or iOS as long as it supports a video feed of up to 720p. It also needs to be Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled, however you don't need a SIM card for it to work. This phone will be on a tripod for the whole lesson, so make sure that it's charged beforehand or that you have a charging cable handy. Second, you'll need a device to program your robots. This can be a laptop, iPad, or even a Chromebook. You'll just need the latest version of Chrome or Safari to access the KaiLab platform. And that's everything we need for now. In the next video, we'll be going over the first setup steps, as well as how to charge your robots.